Solve the system equations using substitution. This is problem number 9. Remember, when we substitute, one of the equations is going to be solved for a variable. Okay, in this problem here, we know that y equals negative 4x. That means we could replace this y with negative 4x. And then I'm going to rewrite the rest of this equation. Notice our equation only has x. It does not have a y or x. That means we could solve this for x. So we're going to move the 2x to the left to combine our x's. Negative 6x equals negative 3. This will be a fractional answer. Two negatives make a positive, so x would be a positive 1 over 2. I'm going to take this equation because it's a little bit simpler, and I'm going to replace x with 1 over 2. Negative 4 times 1/2 is a negative 2. So the intersection point would be 1/2 comma negative 2. If you were to plug these into the equations, both of them would work. So the solution would be 1/2 comma negative 2. On this problem, I know that x is y minus 7. So I'm going to replace this x with y minus 7. So I'm going to have negative y minus 2. I have a coefficient. I'm going to use a parentheses. Okay, the next step is to use the distributive property. Distribute that negative 2 to the y and 7 and rewrite it. Negative y minus 2y plus 14 equals 8. Combine the variables. 1y and 2y combines to 3. It's going to be negative. The signs are the same. The next step is to combine the constants. I'm going to move the 14 to the right by subtracting 14. Negative 3y equal negative 6. I have two negatives. Divide by negative 3. Two negatives make a positive, so y is going to equal to a positive 2. I'm going to take this equation right here and rewrite it. And I'm going to replace this y with a positive 2. So x would be a negative 5. My intersection point would be negative 5 comma 2. And if I plug those into the equations, they would work.